You spend a lot of time on your PC and taking screenshots is crucial to your workflow. You are in the right track. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or a casual user, screenshots can help you share memories, troubleshoot issues, or document your progress. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my top 3 methods for taking screenshots on Windows 11. You spend a lot of time on your PC and taking screenshots is crucial to your workflow. You are in the right track. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or a casual user, screenshots can help you share memories, troubleshoot issues, or document your progress. Windows 11 has made it very easy than ever to take screenshots. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 ways on how you can take screenshots on your Windows 11 PC. Before we dive in, take note that some of these tools are not available for Windows 10 users. And Microsoft has announced that from October 2025, they will stop supporting Windows 10. They will stop sending updates for Windows 10. So if you're probably a Windows 10 user, please share this video to encourage me to do a tutorial on how to screenshot on Windows 10. Now let's dive in. Follow the next clip to know how you can screenshot on Windows 11.
Step 1. Using the print screen button. The print screen button is the simplest way to take a screenshot. To take a screenshot on your Windows 11 PC using the print screen button, simply press the Windows key plus the print screen button and you will hear a camera shutter sound. Your screenshots will be saved to your screenshots folder. Step 2. Using the Snipping tool. The Snipping tool gives you more flexibility when taking screenshots. Click on your Windows, type Snipping tool in your Windows search. You can either open the app from your Windows search or click take a new screenshot from Windows search. Step 3. Using the game bar. The game bar isn't just a feature for gamers. To utilize this feature in taking screenshots on your Windows 11 PC, press the Windows key plus G to access the game bar. You can also record video clips using the game bar.
And that's it. Taking screenshots on Windows 11 is as easy as a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. See you in my next video. Stay tech savvy.